sure, but only one thing to say that can help you protect.
Hold on a second.
Classic hits.
I just wanted him to see it.
Oh yeah, I gotta charge a battery before I can go over there though. My battery's just dead.
Well, I
What's
didn't know
up,
if you
man?
can go from there to over there with it.
Oh yeah, I just gotta
I
put it on
thought
the
so.
battery. Yeah, I run it on the
He
battery.
was just telling me about the goggles that does all that.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat.
What's up, buddy? What's your name?
Oh, so you got an RC too?
Yeah, I'm Jeremy.
Jeremy?
Yeah.
I'm Dewey.
Nice to meet you. What's your name, buddy?
Connor.
Connor.
Nice to meet you, Connor.
So there it is. But it'd been neat for them to actually, I wanted you to get right down with them, and
Yeah, I can.
that's pretty cool.
Yeah, he's this is who I make my videos with, you know. I'm hoping they can let me. I gotta go meet those guys over there and see if they'll let me fly on the truck tonight.
Oh, they probably.
He kept crashing last night. Their pilot wasn't very good, I don't think. tried to fly in the school
There
bus.
was a lot of
you there last
crashes
night?
last night.
I know.
Yeah, we were there last night. It was fun.
Yeah, I love it.
All right, well, we'll just go sit over
I'm
there.
excited for tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, you come to these races a lot?
This is my second time.
This is my first one. Where are you guys from?
New Smyrna area.
Where's that at? In Florida?
Yeah, out by Daytona.
I see. I'm in Savannah,
Oh, see, yeah,
Georgia.
okay.
Yeah, I'm far.
Oh,
I took a
wow.
ride. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll walk over.
Okay.
I
Well,
thought maybe you could just guide it from there to over there and wanting.
well, when I was coming back, my battery was dead, so I had to hurry up and land before I toasted my battery. You know.
Yeah.
You can't drain these completely dead because you'll damage them. You know. They're
Okay.
lipos. So, are you a pilot? No. Well, I bet you'd like to learn. They're so much fun.
Yeah.
Man, if I would have started flying when I was your age,
Yeah.
sky's the limit.
All right, we'll go over, buddy.
Okay, it was nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a gas. That's a gas car. I don't have any gas. I'm out of gas.
That's a cool car.
Yeah, pretty fast. See you, Connor. Bye, buddy.